Let's simplify this expression. Now notice we're looking first for like terms. These two terms are like terms, and these two terms are like terms. Now, in order to combine these two terms, we need a common denominator, but we don't need a denominator that's common to all four terms, just the ones that are like terms. So, for example, for 1/3 and 1/6, we'll use the least common denominator of 6. 1/3, 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 times 2 is 2. So 1/3 a is the same as 2/6a. Then I'll write this term next, plus 1/6a. And now let's concentrate on these like terms. What would be the least common denominator? Just looking at these two fractions, it would be 8. So I'll rewrite this term next, leaving it alone because it already has a denominator of 8. And then minus, what do I multiply 4 by in order to have 8? Well, 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 2 is 6. Now let's combine like terms. I have 2/6a plus 1/6a, so that would be 2/6 plus 1/6, or 3/6a. And then I have -3/8 minus 6/8. That would be -3 minus 6, or -9/8. And I wrote that as -9/8. Then can either of our fractions be simplified? The answer is yes. Notice 3 and 6 have a common factor of 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this is 1/2 a, or you can write it as a over 2 if you'd like, minus 9/8. Now, by the way, you cannot combine these two terms because they are unlike terms.